Hello everyone. I want to tell you about my 3 websites. Sonya Walker Creations, swcabstracts.com, and sonya-walker.pixels.com. These are the 3 websites that contain my work. I want to show you some of the work that I put on them, and you can go by and pick up some. This is a small original that's only 8 by 8. This is an oil original that's 16 by 20. A Prince bust stop. Imagine. Love, respect, and protect your sister. Grandma. (11 by 14) abstract. 11 by 16 abstract. 11 by 14 abstract. 18 by 24 abstract. 11 by 14 abstract.